GPU security flaw puts AI data at risk, Spiceworks. A security flaw has been discovered in popular GPUs, endangering data in AI large language models. The flaw requires physical access to exploit, posing serious risk with increased AI usage. Cybersecurity firm, Trail of Bits, found the flaw that allows data extraction from graphic card memory, potentially leading to significant data leaks, notably in machine learning and large language models. The rising adoption of AI applications amplifies the concern as the vulnerability allows malicious actors to eavesdrop on user sessions, exposing 5 to 180 megabytes of data. The flaw, known as leftover locals, affects GPUs from brands like Imagination, Apple, AMD, and Qualcomm. Although patches have been issued by some, other devices may still be vulnerable. Physical access is needed to exploit the vulnerability, which bypasses some common security measures. This highlights a need for rigorous review of development stacks by AI and ML security experts. Share your thoughts about the potential threats of AI data leaks. Connect with us on LinkedIn, X, or Facebook. We look forward to your input. Anuj Mudliar, a tech editor for Spiceworks, specializes in topics like cloud, cybersecurity, emerging tech innovation, AI, and hardware, and enjoys outdoor activities and global cuisine in his free time.